on this edition of the AudioCat channel.
It's your boy Jay Cruz, known as the AudioCat. I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for the support you guys giving this channel. We got a first ever in the world, custom made for AudioZone. Can't even find them nowhere else. Dodge Challenger. This is a very famous car that we built from beginning to end. Y'all have seen this car in the journey. It's Paul Farice's car, but we have a one-off for this car that nobody else has ever done or even has. Is that all the people that suffer from having these factory marker lights styles on these cars, we actually got them custom made here at AudioZone to be Flow Series. So nobody has them. It does not exist. You can't find them on lighting trends. You can't find them RGB halos. You can't find them nowhere. This is the first ever custom made for AudioZone Flow Series marker lights for the Dodge Challenger Widebody. Now you can find the regular Challengers, but you cannot find the Widebody ones because we just had them custom made. So we're gonna start doing the tear down on this car. We're also gonna install a set of fog lights for him in the front, give the car a different appearance on the Widebody look that nobody else has. But long story short, this is a first off ever, and I want you to see what it looks like. It's a big journey in the install. I'm gonna just jump, but we're gonna get this done and see what it looks like, guys. So I'm gonna give you the progression right now. The guys are installing some custom fog lights down here, something hideaway behind the grill. That's one part, but we already got our first Flow Series marker light on there, and Adolfo is right now beginning to do the wiring on the back ones to start getting all these going so we can actually get these Flow Series on. He's running all the extensions. We got to run that all the way to the power supplies in the front, but this should be pretty damn interesting when it gets done. I can't wait to see it. I'm very excited for Paul. Great customer for a long time, became a friend, but on top of that, man, he's always been a guy who put money in his car and always likes to stand out. So now he could be the first in the world with Flow Series Widebody Challenger marker lights. Hey guys, so I'm coming to bring you another up. The guys have successfully installed the marker lights into their positions. Now they're doing all the wiring, which is going to be the hard part, because we got to run wires from the back of the vehicle all the way to the front of the vehicle and vice versa on everything that we have. So this is where we are right now with this bad boy, but they do look clean, they look good. I want to see them turned on. Look at the first car ever, man. I'm excited about that. Mr. Josh, you're pissed off right now. Why you mess up?
Because I did everything to the left of the screws instead of left and right to the screw I was marking it off of.
You know what? If anybody could get it, it's gonna be Josh. Let me show you some other builds. Another Widebody Trackhawk build in progress, man. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that. We got a beautiful Caravan we're gonna be restoring completely. We're gonna put a Hellcat motor in that thing right there with a Demon transmission and a 392 rear end. See if we can make it go 0 to 60. What are you thinking, Josh?
Hopes and dreams, so we can push it in like 10 minutes.
Yeah, I messed up when I said Hellcat. I meant Hello Kitty. We're putting a Hello Kitty motor in the car. That's just me playing around. We got a couple things. The what? And then this one here, another one that we built out, man. We're doing a type of thing. He got broken into and robbed the other day, so I am replacing all the stuff that he had inside his truck. They stole the audio board and all that, but that's pretty much what that is. And a bigger project inside, which is gonna be pretty fun to do. It's a 70 series Bronco. We have limited space, but we're making these panels, and y'all can see another video. We're adding a charging pad, cup holder, stuff like that to this Bronco. And then this Bronco, they can process here, but this Bronco I'm gonna have pretty much subs in there and all across the back of this vehicle, as you can see there. Let me give you a little sneaky peeky. We got all the taped up with no scratches, but this is where we're gonna be building all the audio for that one, y'all. But I'm gonna keep on going and rolling as I get this situated with the guys. Can't wait to see these lights on, y'all. Progress report on this, y'all. Hold on a minute. Let me get back all this copyright here, because you know we lose monetization when you have copyrights. Let me pass all this stuff and get over to the vehicle. Now let's see where the girls are at. Let's see where we at. Look like we got success somewhere here. We got fog lights in there already. Gordon's doing the wiring on that one. I can't wait to see them on. How long before they fire on, man? Fog lights are on? We have the guys doing their thing here, man. Let's see what they can get together here. Hopefully they get it right. Make it happen. Let's see what goes on. Already powered on, ready? Which ones? Let's see what we got. Magic LED, I think. Let's see what they got. SP105. Yeah, I do like this car a lot though. This is a nice ass build, man. I really do like this car. The two-tone custom tail light that we did in wrap, I actually do like it a lot, y'all. So let's see how this is gonna come out. The Beehive is what we call her, the Beehive. And she's also got her radio special in there and all the accessories we've done through the years in this car. Custom badges here, custom lighting everywhere. Let's see what we got. Boom, just like that, this car has Flow Series, y'all. Flow Series matching all the Flow Series underglow from AudioZone, matching all of the Flow Series in the engine bay, the trim of the headlight, custom we did around his steels. Yeah, this car definitely, he's lighting up the block, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, y'all. Look at that, wheel lights and all. Look at this, watch, look at the wheels. Yep, yep, rears, everything is done. Guys, it's coming together. Still got to button up this one here, but it's definitely coming together. I am excited for Paul. First in the world ever Flow Series marker lights for a wide body. Like you see, it's a wide body. First ever, y'all. Check that out. What y'all think about that right there? That is crazy. Paul gets this, he's gonna be so ecstatic because it's definitely something that he can appreciate a lot, man. You know what I'm saying? When the kit came in, I told him I had them because we were looking out for this for a while, waiting for them to get manufactured, designed, and shipped to us, and now they're here. So pretty soon, a lot of people are gonna have them, but like today, nobody has them, man. So we've done a lot of first offs in the shop. Glory be to God, he is the greatest, man, for the knowledge and wisdom he gives us, man. But this game changer, y'all. That's a game changer. That's a game changer. Definitely a game changer. Nobody had this tomorrow, man. Ain't nobody gonna be able to compete with him on that because he's the first ever with them. So shout out to Paul Faris. Let's get his reaction. Let me show you some more. We got all the badges, we got the grills, we got the Flow Series DRLs, we got the engine bay, we got inside the scoop, we got pretty much every damn light you could think about is in this car. And that is the first off in the world, which makes it unique and powerful. So I know Paul is gonna really appreciate it. I want you to tell me in the comment what y'all think, man. Let's get a reaction as he gets ready to pick up his car and see what it looks like. First off, I'm so excited. Now look, this is what Mr. Faris's car looked like. Done, completed, situated, ready to go. How y'all like that? Look at that. 360 around his scoop. He got his vents, he got the trims, he got the grills, the DRLs upper and lower. He got the SRT badge, double row underglow kit, custom wheel lights that we did for them. We got the Flow Series marker lights done. And this is what the Faris's car looks like, y'all. So I can only tell you, I can be very happy. Let's see if he's happy. Stay tuned. Like they say, bad boy, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Because right now we are on our way to go get the car delivered to Mr. Paul Faris and show him his smile. Let's show him his smile. So Mr. Faris. Y'all talking to you English, my friend. What you think I'm talking to you in Vietnamese like the TV program did today?
Check it out, man.
What happened?
They're in a building, a skyrise.
What? Oh, what's the name of the show? Hold on, y'all. All right, y'all. So, Mr. Paul, Mr. Dita, you want to go see what this looks like at night, babe? Yes. Come on, Josh.
So then you can do mine.
The boat, no. See that she wants to do things, but she wants us to work for free. We ain't doing that, man. Like she got to pay. You know what I'm saying? So now he's got Flow Series going on his marker lights, y'all. Like he could go forward, reverse, change them, all these different designs, but he's got Flow Series on his marker lights. And it's a wide body, and it's flowing. And now open up the app, I think it's called Magic LED, because we can get connected and show them how it works. But this car, I want you to see how the car lights up. Y'all tell me about this. Y'all tell me about this.
You changed all of it? What? Look at that.
That looks nasty. The freeze on his app. Y'all, so y'all can see what we're talking about, but it does all the designs that you could possibly want to do. Forward, back, Flow Series, rainbows, all that kind of stuff is in there. And he is the first off ever. Because this car, first off ever to have this in the world. And he's a Yankees fan.
That's right.
And he's ready to go for the holidays. First off ever, man. So I mean, I don't know what to tell y'all, but this is a game changer, especially for him, man. He's into the lights, shows, car meets. He's always trying to advance it, and you know what? He took another level higher because nobody has what he has as of today. That they're gonna copy, yeah, they're gonna do it, of course. But as of today, nobody has what Paul Faris has. So first in the world to have Widebody Challenger marker light flow series on his. Can't say nothing to him. He's in his own lane, man, and this car is very unique, y'all. What you want to hear today, Mr.
Looks
Ball?
good, man. I like it.
I love it, man. You know what I'm saying? To me, it's great. I want to thank y'all for watching. I always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.